Hello guys, good afternoon mga ka-reels. We are here in Target. Bonding with my friend. Look at that, she's so sexy now. I'm drinking mango dragon fruit and she's drinking green tea prop. Matcha, yeah. And of course, hindi mawawala ang glass of ice water. See, Trenta. This is really big. I have to finish that one. Payat na niya, sexy siya. Guys, come join us. Dududud. Dududud. Dun, 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 dun. Hello. Unwind here at Target. Starbucks. Bye guys. See you next time. Adios.